Many business owners watch their marketing budget disappear into digital ads that never seem to convert. They end up buying unverified lead lists from vendors, only to find the data is outdated or completely irrelevant to their niche. Successful businesses don't rely on luck. They use the same data-driven logic found in a casino, where every move is calculated based on known probabilities and customer history. While standard online ads rely on platform algorithms to find an audience, MGM-style database marketing uses your specific customer history to identify exactly who is likely to buy. We are going to execute this strategy using Apollo.io. It is a secure tool that provides access to B2B contact data, and you can start using its core features without a paid subscription. To follow along, pause this video now. Write down the specific job title of your single most profitable current customer. Moving from a broad marketing approach to a structured data strategy allows you to predict your revenue with much higher accuracy and protects your business from the risks of unverified data. Start by signing up for Apollo.io. It is vital that you use a verified corporate email, such as yourname@yourcompany.com. Standard free email accounts are often flagged by spam filters and receive significantly fewer monthly credits. Our lists will be built on the foundation of RFM analysis. This framework categorizes prospects based on 3 specific metrics: recency, frequency, and monetary value. Recency measures how recently a prospect has shown a specific buying signal or engaged with a solution similar to yours. Frequency tracks how often they enter a buying cycle, while monetary value identifies companies with the revenue capacity to afford your services. By plugging these 3 traits into the Apollo search engine, you can find new prospects that match the characteristics of your most reliable current buyers. RFN data allows you to focus your outreach on companies that have already demonstrated the behaviors you're looking for. It anchors your sales efforts in historical patterns rather than speculative interest. We will organize our data into 3 tiers. Tier 1 consists of your whales, the highest value accounts in the database. Open the Search tab in Apollo and select the Companies section to begin filtering. For Tier 1, set the revenue filter between $50 million and $250 million. Then set the employee count between 200 and 1,000. Now move to the job title filter. We target primary decision makers, so enter C-suite and VP. To ensure these companies are active and have budget, use the Triggers filter. Select Recently Funded or Management Changes to find companies in a state of growth. Once these filters are applied, save this list as Tier 1 Whales. This process ensures you are only spending your time on high-capacity prospects. It creates a protected top tier for your sales pipeline that prioritizes deal size over raw lead volume. Tier 2 focuses on your core profit players. This group provides the regular, scalable revenue that sustains your business. Clear your Tier 1 filters so we can reset the search parameters for a different company profile. For your core tier, set the revenue filter between $10 million and $50 million. Adjust the employee count to target companies with 25 to 150 people. In this tier, change your target job titles to Director or Head of Department. These individuals often have direct control over departmental spending. While these deals are smaller than whales, these companies are more numerous and often have a faster approval process for new vendors. Save this configuration in your dashboard as Tier 2 Core. Establishing this list is what allows you to scale. It shifts your focus from chasing rare, massive payouts to maintaining a steady, predictable stream of qualified opportunities. Finally, we must identify Tier 3, the promo players. In the casino world, these are the tire kickers who only show up for free drinks. These are generally companies with under $5 million in revenue and very broad or generic job titles. These leads are often a net loss for your business. They require the same amount of outreach effort as a Tier 2 client, but yield much lower payouts and rarely show long-term loyalty. Avoid spending your primary ad budget or personalized sales time on this tier. They exist primarily to help you test messaging, not to drive your core revenue. Knowing which leads to ignore is just as important as knowing who to target. Actively filtering out Tier 3 is a necessary step to protect your profit margins. You have now successfully built and segmented 3 distinct lists within your Apollo dashboard. You are no longer relying on unverified lists from third-party vendors. You have a database built on the specific financial and structural metrics of your ideal customers. Before you begin your outreach, remember the final step. Always verify the individual LinkedIn profiles or company news for your Tier 1 prospects to ensure your messaging is relevant. If you found this helpful, share this video with a fellow business owner who is struggling with low-quality lead generation. Subscribe to the channel for more technical, step-by-step guides on how to use data to grow your business. By applying this structured approach to your data, you have replaced the randomness of traditional outreach with a clear, documented system for finding and segmenting your most valuable prospects.